Hi everyone, and welcome back to Art Club. So as some of you guys might know, today is a very special day. It is May the 4th, Star Wars Day, and it's called Star Wars Day because it kind of sounds like May the Force, like May the Force be with you. So because it's May 4th and May the 4th be with you, we're going to do an art project that is Star Wars inspired. So we're going to draw a Baby Yoda. So Baby Yoda is on a Disney show, and I haven't seen the show, but I have seen the Baby Yoda memes, and I think he's so cute. And I know some of you guys really like Baby Yoda, so we're going to learn how to draw him today. So it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to draw him. So what you need is a piece of paper and a marker. You can also just do it with pencil first and then go over it with marker, but because I just want to make this really simple, I'm just going to do it in marker, and you guys can do whatever you want. You can also color it once you're done. I'm going to color mine, but I'm going to do it off camera and then just take a picture of it because I don't think we need to waste time filming me coloring. Great, so the first thing we're going to do is draw a V, so a very wide V, like so. So this is actually the top of his robe. And then we're going to draw his little head. So it's just an upside down U, like so. The next step is drawing his eyes. So he has these really big eyes. So we're just going to make his big baby eyes, like so. And then we'll put in some little circles just to make them shiny, and then color in the big circle. Ooh, my marker is running out of ink. Great. Then we're going to draw his ears. So his ears just kind of come out, and then we'll flick up like this, and then come back down. Okay? Go out, flick up, around, and down. And then the inside of his ears will just come in like so. Great. I'm going to change my marker. So we've got our ears. Then we're going to go in with his nose. So his nose is just a little line here, and then an upside down U, like that. He already looks so cute. Oh, Baby Yoda. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is draw his little hairs. Just go up like this. Give him some hair. And now we need to draw his clothes. So we'll start with his robes. We're going to go a little bit outside where his head ends. Do one line down on this side, one line down on this side, and then we're going to come over like this. And then a little bit below or above this line, we're going to come over like so to make his robe. Now we need to add his arms. So his arms are going to come in like this on each side. You can see. And then we just want to add his arms, and then we need to add some sleeves. So we're going to do that by just making a little square Doing the same on the other side. So his sleeves are kind of rolled up like that. And the next step is his hands. So his hands are like so. Okay, and then he has 3 fingers, I think. So we have to add his little thumb in here, and then a little fingernail. Great. And then the bottom part is actually really simple for the robe. We're just going to start somewhere around here and just make a little S curve and then connect it at the bottom with a little curve. And he doesn't have any feet. I think that his robe is a little too long, so we don't have to draw any feet. And then let's just add some kind of crinkle lines here to show that he's wearing a robe. One right here, like so. So it really is that easy to draw Baby Yoda. Pretty soon you're going to be drawing him on everything, on your notebooks, on your math test. Don't do that. But you can draw him super fast now. So the next thing would be just to color your Baby Yoda. So I'm going to color mine, and then I'll show you a picture at the end. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Art Club today. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything specific, or if you like this project, or if you hated this project. Any comments are welcome. I'll see you next time. Bye!